Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Marine's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today I'm making sesame shrimp. This sweet and tangy shrimp recipe is really delicious. The exact amount is in the description box. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by peeling the shrimp. I'm using different shrimp. Now rinse the shrimp and strain. Marinate the shrimp with salt. Then add egg white from 1 egg and mix it. Next, add some cornstarch and mix it with the shrimp. Add some vegetable oil and mix again. Now let's make the sauce. Add water, vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and cornstarch. Mix together and sauce is done. Crack an egg and beat it. Let's make the batter. Add water to a mixing bowl. Then add cornstarch, flour, baking powder, and half of the beaten egg. Mix it until it's liquidy like this. Now heat up some frying oil on medium heat. I use a bamboo chopstick to test the oil. When it's bubbling, it's hot enough. Now let's dip the shrimp in the batter and put it in the oil to fry. When the shrimp is golden brown, take it out. Now let's cook the sauce. Make sure there is oil in the wok and cook on medium-low heat. When the sauce thickens, add the sesame seed. Add the shrimp back in and mix. After mixing, plate the shrimp. Add some more sesame seed and the shrimp is done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. Look at that. I can't wait to try. Really big bite. The shrimp is tender, cooked perfectly. It tastes sweet, savory, and a little bit tangy. I love the toasty sesame seed. It's very tasty. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。